How to unlock the mower deck on a Kubota TG1860 lawn tractor.
Thanks. Can you give me any more details about your issue?
Took it in for service, and they locked the mower deck at 4 inches for maintenance purposes. They, wrongly, assumed I'd know how to unlock it after they finished.
Okay, got it. Last thing, technicians generally expect a deposit of about $18 to help with your type of question. You only pay if satisfied. Now I'm going to take you to a page to place a secure deposit with JustAnswer. Don't worry, this chat is saved. After that, we will finish helping you.
The lift lever has a push button on the end of the handle. You have to pull on the handle to relieve pressure on the button, then while you have lever pulled, push button and hold and release lever to lower.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.